Alright guys, so today should be warm enough that we can go run the car through the car wash and get it looking nice and presentable. Then later we're going to head out towards the water and get a little bit of a photo shoot out with the car, the ice and everything in the background. It's going to look so cool, but first, a nice warm hearty meal to get this day started. Alright guys, so we just finished up lunch. My wife did a really good job with that ramen. It's like one of my favorite foods, so we've been just experimenting with those ramen hacks and I think it came out really good. But yeah, now we're gonna head out to the car wash and then go take some pictures. Waited almost a whole hour just to get in the touch-free car wash, but I just looked outside of the car as I was driving it. It looks really good, so yeah, let's go take some pictures now. Alright, we're out here taking some pictures right now. As you can see, this lake is completely frozen over, but we're gonna try to get some pictures for Instagram. Alright guys, so things don't always go according to plan. So I had this whole really fun day kind of planned out in my head. We were gonna go through the car wash, get some really cool pictures of the car, do all this other stuff, and things just weren't working out the way that I was kind of envisioning. So we kind of got off to a little bit of a late start. We finally get to the car wash, and of course one of the touch-free machines was down, so there was a long line to get in the other one, and we were there for almost an hour waiting to get in. We were at that point, you know, like, do we go somewhere else? We're kind of moving up. We don't want to lose our spot, you know. We already waited so long, so we finally waited an hour to get through the car wash. The car is nice and clean, but the sun was already pretty much setting. We missed that really good golden hour to get the really nice photos that I was envisioning in my head to get, but yeah, there was that. So then we go out to the boat launch by the water, and we were thinking like, no one's gonna be there. We're gonna get some great photos of the car as the sun's setting, and like it's the middle of winter, like who's going to be out on the lake at that time? So we get there and it's packed with ice fishermen. So the parking lot was totally crowded. It was really hard to stage the car the way that I really wanted to. And personally, I always feel a little bit narcissistic, like taking pictures of my own car in public when there's a bunch of people around. Like people kind of give you weird looks, I feel like, but I don't know, maybe that's just me. So I kind of thought about just scrapping all of this footage, but then as I was actually going through it and editing it, I just kind of realized that things aren't going to be 100% perfect 100% of the time, and the difference is like being able to actually take what you have and just be able to make something cool with it. So yeah, that's kind of what this video is about. Alright guys, just give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and just leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this format that I'm trying out, you know, doing more of a formal informational car video on the weekends, and then throughout the week I'll do some kind of vlog or like personal lifestyle type video. And like I mentioned in some of my other videos, it's not always easy for me to film car videos throughout the week just because because it's like already dark out by the time that I get home from work, but I still want to put out content for you guys, and honestly I just love creating videos. It's like something that I'm really passionate about, even if it's not always car related. I just love doing this stuff. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, this is your first time watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.